I'm not a There you go.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
He's so dry.
Like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Yeah. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm good.
Oh wait, I forgot to show you the second room that we stayed in on Toscana Valley. So let's go back. Okay, so we are back at Toscana Valley, and this is our room here. Some rest here and enjoy my last day out here in Toscana Valley in Khao. Khao is amazing, guys. Probably one of my favorite places in Thailand so far. I love this. We are right out here with the pool. And yes, that is a gorgeous pool. Unfortunately, it's raining, but if it stops raining, I'm definitely going to get in there. Good morning, guys. We are going to head down for breakfast.
Morning, guys.
We're going to stay another day today because we kind of missed out on some time with that, with the motorhome. So we're going to stay an additional day up here in Khao. We are out here today, guys, at Valley Wineries in Khao. We're out here for lunch and some wine tasting. Is this the restaurant? Okay, we have 4 people. Thank you.
You want to have lunch inside or outside?
You guys want to eat inside or outside? Okay.
This isn't the same restaurant.
Wow. Look at that view, guys. Charles got the espresso because if he gets wine, he's gonna pass
No
out.
wine for me. It's 2 fluid ounces. It's 2 ounces per
Perfect.
thing. So we have 10 ounces of wine.
So I have a wine tasting here, but it's quite a bit of wine in each glass for a wine tasting. Oh,
You need to finish all of them too.
so, thank you.
Chaser.
I'm gonna have to switch these because I know that's backwards to me, and I wanted to touch. I've got the wine tasting here, and all those glasses are just for me. Yay! Okay, to our time at PB Valley Winery. Yes, happy times. Good times, guys. Good times. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's really good.
I wasn't expecting to be that big.
That smells good. Oh, this one showing. Okay. Where's my phone? Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, if that is not a good looking table, I don't know what is. Especially that. Boom. Oh, that was delicious.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you. Thank you. If you come here, try the Sawazdi Khao Yai Shiraz. It is delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna eat and I'll be back with you shortly. I'll let you know how good it is because I already tasted a little bit, so I know it's good. You happy?
Very happy. Always happy.
Okay.
Got him to see.
So guys, that food was delicious. Delicious. Oh yeah, it was really, really good. So I definitely recommend this restaurant if you come to Khao Yai. Come to PB Valley Winery and you will love it. Love it. We're getting ready to go on a little tour now, so see you in a minute. So we are done eating and we're going to try and catch a little tour around this winery. But this is the store here.
Anybody?
Visit the winery, we go to that second activity, tasting. After tasting, we like that tradition of the grape will make wine. The name of this grape is the Gimbal or the flower on October until February. But don't worry.
So we are on a group tour. This is my first group tour since I've been in Thailand. I don't usually do the group tours, but this is it. So this is inside the factory where the wine is being made. A lot of people on this tour. So as always, I'm burning up hot. It's nice and cool in here. It's so silly. So this is where you can see the color of the wine right through here. So I'm not sure if you can really see it through here. Where's Taya? Be careful. Now we're at the wine tasting portion of it, but I had enough wine at lunch, so I won't be having any more wine. I'm not
Yeah. Exactly.
So I'm going in to check out because we're getting ready to hit the road and go back to Bangkok. Swadika. Hi, good morning. So this is the staff at Toscana Valley, and these guys are incredible for everything. There you go. Bye-bye. Hey. And Khao Yai was amazing, so.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
He's so dry. He loved it. He loved it. That's a piece. spending a whole week in Khao Yai was amazing. We had so much fun, even despite the rain and a little bit of technical difficulties with the motorhome. We had a ball, and we saw stuff that we never saw before. Definitely makes us want to come back up here really soon and do some more exploring, but next time we're going to come in our car. So we'll be on the road for the next, it's about 2.5 hour drive from where we live. Not a bad drive. It takes us just as long to get to Hua Hin. So we're going to see you when we get home. Goodbye, Khao Yai National Park. We will see you next time. They are unloading. So we made it back to our condo in Bangkok. Charles went up to get the car. We're going to go out and return this motorhome. And it was a very, very exciting, fun trip. We enjoyed ourselves. Nice to be back home, but we really had a ball out there. So we'll see you later. Thanks for coming with us.